Hello everyone, this is Ian with my Amazon guy. Today I wanted to make a quick video on an alert that many Amazon sellers might have woken up to today regarding their listings being marked as pesticides. Amazon has tightened their EPA compliance regarding pesticides, so many sellers are finding their products incorrectly marked. I personally have had multiple clients who have seen this issue, and I'm going to show you a quick fix to get this pesticide claim removed so your products are not delisted. So as you can see, Amazon will actually send you a list of items that have been affected by the pesticide claims, and the fix is pretty simple. What you're going to want to do is go through all of the ASINs that they send you, go over to Manage Inventory, search for that ASIN, and you're going to go down to Edit. Now under the Compliance tab, we're going to scroll down all the way here, and you're going to find the pesticide section. Now, what you're going to want to do is go to Pesticide Marking, select EPA Registration number, even if your product is not a pesticide. And you're going to go down to Pesticide Registration Status. Just click This is not a pesticide or pesticide device. Give it a second here and save and finish. Now, after doing this, your product should no longer be listed as containing a pesticide. Do make sure that your products don't make any pesticidal claims, though, as they now fall under needing a pesticide certification. If you need any more help with selling your products online, please visit my Amazon guy and book a coaching call today. We can help you grow sales. Thanks.